Hey YouTube, Kim Brzalik here. Ha! After abusing the life out of my little mini lathe here, there's a culprit over here. Hold on, stand by. The handy dandy lathe milling attachment. Looks pretty nice, got some smooth action, this and that. And with the right operator, it might be okay. But I had this thing hooked up and was trying to operate this thing like I had a milling machine. And it ain't all that. But lesson learned is this machine here is rather delicate. Needs a little looking out for. So no more heavy abusive cuts. I'm going to try to be a little smarter. My experience has brought me to a level where I can operate with lower speeds, less cutting pressure. I have better tools. My high-speed steel tools certainly aren't getting any better, but I think that's a grind issue, and I don't have the ability to do that at this time. Perhaps when I learn how to grind cutting tools, I'll revisit that. But I got the machine pretty much disassembled. Let me bring you over here and show you a couple concerns that I have. Okay, I've got everything off here. And it gets a little tight back here, but I don't do anything back there. Yeah, this is loosened up since this afternoon. Temperature may have had something to do with that. But the issue with this is the give adjustments on this. Try doing that with your Bridgeport. The give adjustments are as such. The Allen head plug and locking bolt can only do so much. The socket heads, if those things are more than finger tight, you're not moving this thing. The bottom edge of these ways, where that black metal is riding, is paint. It's running on a painted surface. So I'm going to try to clean all that up. And since you really can't tighten up them socket head screws, I'm thinking of putting some lower strength Loctite. Some lower strength Loctite on those when I figure out where I want them at. So, like I said, the underside here right here is a painted surface. And you can see where that rides there. So it's never going to be a perfect machine. But I think with proper care, it can be a usable machine. You know, revisit the apron chip guard, still doing its job, still nice and clean. For those that don't know, there's a clear plastic shield there that I used a double-faced tape to adhere. So that's doing well. I think I just need to learn to really baby this thing. Quit pushing it. Doing things it was never meant to do. Operating at pressures that far exceed its ability to handle. We'll get this back together and maybe do a short video of maybe facing, turning, and parting, just to see how things come back together after tightening things up a bit. See, I can just turn these by finger. It's about the only way you're going to do that. Well, that tightened it up well. Really, this all needs to be sanded and filed, sanded, stoned.